students, wish you all 74th Happy Independence Day. You all know why we are all assembled here. We are assembled in order to celebrate our Independence Day and to realize the importance of struggle that our freedom fighters have done in order to free ourselves from the British rule. Now, before we start the program, there is a small program that we have arranged. But before starting, I would request Principal Ma'am to hoist the national flag.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now I would like to request Principal Ma'am to say few inspirational and motivational words for our students.
My heartfelt wishes to all my dear children, staff members, citizens and all those who are present here for the 74th Independence Day. Probably, hardly any one of us was awake on the midnight of 15th of August 1947 when India was going to meet its destiny of independence. We are born in an independent nation. We hardly or very little understand what actually is being governed by a foreign country, foreign invaders and a foreign government. So today, when we are having all the sovereign powers to take India towards progress and decide our own fate and destiny, we shoulder a very big responsibility to carry this nation forward. We as educationists and you as learners shoulder a very huge responsibility and need to dedicate a full hard work and our service, our life for the progress of this nation. Children, today when we are undergoing a situation of this pandemic, I request you all to take a wise decision staying at home. We need not to panic, but we need to think wisely at this point of time, because we all cannot sit hand in hand at home and face the situation when so much is still left to do and so much is still there to do. There also might be a time when we will have to live with it, we have to stay with it without getting affected by it and without getting anything damaged by it or any of the lives being let go by it. So children, as we are bringing the studies to your doorsteps, being your teachers, you as learners also need to take care. You also need to take the things very seriously. The studies which are brought to you at your home, at your doorsteps, being being it the gift of today's online technology, I request you that you all join hands with us, cope up with it and come up with it. This is the time when we all need to pay attention towards what our elders are saying. With an urge, with a request, with a policy given by our Prime Minister and requesting all of us to make Atmanirbhar Bharat, we all need to work for it. You need to work for it. You being the future of India need to do a lot for it. The government also has announced the new education policy, with it having 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 in it, and the skill development program being induced in it. Practically, it is going to bring a big change in the future of education. These children, you can add on to your lives and will bring a big positive change in your attitude towards education. We, as educationists and teachers, are no more going to develop robots who were developed by just cramming, teaching few concepts, few old theories, and then telling them to take ahead. But now, we will be developing the intellect, the genius, who will be practically implementing their knowledge, their innovation into it, and thus being successful in their lives. So as you understand this policy, you will be able to love it, you will be able to take care of it. It was the wise work of our elderly men who were working for this policy for the past 4-5 years, and now we have devised this for the betterment of India. We being Indians, taking our own torch, our own light forward, and setting up an example as we were earlier, known for Takshila and Nalanda. So now children, carrying forward this torch with the new education policy is your responsibility to shoulder. Today I am feeling your absence, immense absence on this occasion, as well as your teachers are feeling it. We are not having those smiling faces, those chubby cheeks, those little hands showing up their creativity over here in front of us. But of course, we are in touch with each other, having this online technology. We are in touch with each other with this online policy. I would have liked, rather loved, to see you all having those candies in your hands on the 15th of August and waving the Indian flag, the tricolor, high over your heads. But anyway, children, wish you all once again a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words that are spoken by you for our students. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Yes, we all will take a pledge in order to make India a free, independent India. Now, Nishi ma'am, by her song, will motivate us towards Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Thank you.
Good morning, students. Happy 74th Independence Day to you all, your parents, as well as to all the citizens of India. Dear students, today is not the day only to wish Independence Day, but to make everyone realize the importance of freedom. Make everyone realize the efforts that were put by our heroes, our freedom fighters, who have sacrificed their lives in order to make India a free India from the British rule. Dear students, nowadays you must have very well realized the importance of freedom. We are facing pandemic situation where you all are confined to your homes. You must be longing in order to come out of their house. You must be longing to move to your school, to enjoy the activities, to meet your friends. Yes, just see how important the freedom is, how precious freedom is. So we should respect our freedom that is being provided to us by our freedom fighters. Why we are saying to you all? Because you are the future of our nation, future of our country. And students, you know, in shaping your future, who plays an important role? Your teachers, your parents, society, as well as your nation as a whole. Now, in return, they also demand something. What they demand? They demand love, care, responsibility. Because in shaping your future, they have sacrificed a number of things. They have shown full dedication, devotion towards you. Now they need love, care. This is needed not only by your teachers as well as by your parents, even by the society, even by the country, because this nation has provided you a platform, provided you everything that you needed. And dear students, on this day, I would like to say one most important thing is that your parents as well as your teachers have inculcated moral values among you. So never forget that moral values. They are very important in your life. Apart from academic, moral values plays an important role in shaping your personality. Moral values is a kind of identity. So never lose these moral values. These moral values are provided to you by your parents, by your teachers. So students, take a pledge. Yes, we will love, we will care, we will respect our teachers, our parents, and as well as our nation. Take a pledge to become a responsible citizen of India and to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. Jai Hind.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् ज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Dear students, you all must be aware of the death of 20 soldiers who died in a clash with Chinese forces in the disputed Himalayan region of Ladakh. We are very sorry for that. Now, let us pay a tribute to all the 20 soldiers by our song, "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo."
मेरे वतन के लोगों तुम आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा
the teachers. With this, we end our program. Thank you, all of you.